I am here today with Laura with Cottonwood Title, and we're going to educate you a little bit about title insurance. So, Laura, would you mind explaining exactly what title insurance is
I'd love to.
in buying and selling a house?
Yeah, absolutely. So title insurance is a way of protecting your ownership, uh, your vesting, your ownership in your property. So we issue two different title insurance products. One's for your lender because they want to make sure their interest in the property is protected. We also issue owner's title policies to the buyers because they need to know that they're not going to have someone, after they take ownership of the property, you're not going to have someone come knocking on their door saying, hey, my great aunt used to own this property and it belongs to me now.
Right.
You want to be protected against that. So the nice thing is it's a one-time premium you pay at closing.
Yep.
And it protects you for as long as you own the property.
Right. So it's awesome peace of mind.
Yes, very much so. It's
Awesome.
a lot cheaper than paying attorney's fees in the future.
Right. So can you tell me a little bit, like, does everybody need title insurance when they buy or sell a home?
Yeah, I say yes. I mean, of course, that makes sense, right? That I would say yes, everyone should have title insurance, but since it does give a lot of peace of mind, and for a one-time premium, it's like the cheapest way to make sure that you're protected, right? And as a seller, sellers usually pay for, in Utah, sellers usually pay for the owner's policy for the buyer. And sellers are like, why? I've owned this property, I haven't done anything to it, right? Well, just imagine this. You've got someone who's bought your property 3 years down the line. Someone reaches out to them and says, hey, I have an interest in your property because of something your seller did. Do you as the seller want to take that call and have your attorneys get involved, or do you want to just go back to the title company and our underwriter gets involved and takes care of it? I mean, it's peace of mind for both sides.
Very nice. But if you're paying cash, you don't need it, or you do?
So yes, if you're paying cash, you would want an owner's policy.
Okay.
Now here's the thing, if you're paying cash, there's no lender involved, so you don't have to pay for a lender's title policy.
That makes
right?
sense.
But you should still get an owner's policy.
Awesome. So my last question for you is, what's the advantage of choosing you with Cottonwood Title?
Oh, thank you. Well, so title companies, most people don't know the differences. There are nationally owned title companies that have local branches, and then there's independent title companies, and Cottonwood Title has stayed independent. What that means for you is we can work with multiple underwriters, right? So we're not stuck with one underwriter's premiums. We can shop around and get the best rate, the best premium for your particular situation and help save you money. Also, we haven't changed our closing fees in like 15 years, right? And we also, I have to say, Cottonwood Title has an amazing title department. And what that means for you is we've got people that are very experienced, trained in doing the title search. We search everything a public record dating way back to when your property was first formed, right? Maybe Brigham Young signed the deed on that one. But we've got people who are skilled to go all the way back and make sure that what you're getting is good, clean title. And that's going to be true for people buying, selling homes, refinancing, and also commercial properties. We handle all of those.
Fantastic. Well, I love that you can shop and give us savings for clients.
Definitely.
And I appreciate you sharing with us today.
Thanks,
Thank you very
Annette.
much.
That's very fun. Thank you.